Mahaswin. Thank you, Ryan. You could have stayed on mute, Ryan. Thank you. Yes, good evening, Arjun. Give a big round of applause to children. Please give a good, Mahaswin.
Ma'am.
Yes, Ryan. You just had a chance. Now I'll check with others. If everybody has done, I'll give you a chance tomorrow. If not, next week. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ready for the warm-up, children? 3, 2, 1. Sai, children. Can you do the warm-up? Please get up from your place. Okay, come back to your place, children. Very good. Okay, I can see Lisha. Good evening, Lisha.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening, Adya. Good evening, Yuvansai.
Good evening.
Okay, we'll mark our attendance. Adya. Arav, Akshat absent. Okay, Arjun.
Arjun has gone to restroom.
Okay, Dayanand.
Here I am, ma'am.
Gautam Rishi,
Here, ma'am.
Ritwik,
Here I am, ma'am.
Jai Krish,
Here I am, ma'am.
Kaushik, Kavin, Kumara Guruparan, Lakshita, Leisha,
Here I am, ma'am.
Lakshraj,
Here I am, ma'am.
Darshita, Satvik, Nikita, Nivin Surya,
Here I am, ma'am.
Roshan,
Here I am, ma'am.
Aswin,
Here I am, ma'am.
Ryan,
Here I am, ma'am.
Saitran,
Here I am, ma'am.
Nizan, Shiva,
Here I am, ma'am.
Shravan,
Here I am, ma'am.
Radhika,
See
and
ya. Hi, Bakiti be back.
okay, Lakshita, I marked you. Good evening, Lakshita. Anybody else? No, right?
Here I am, ma'am.
Who is that man?
You answer.
Okay, Vansa. I marked you. Okay. Okay. So first we'll sing from excuse me. We'll sing from Pada Cake, then 8 Planets and Sun, and we're going to start with continue with the new rhyme. We started yesterday. Okay, rhyme time. Ready, start. So what is the rhyme time? Rule: we should all sit properly. Sit properly. No lying down. No sleeping. Wake up. Okay. Pat a cake. Baker's man, bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and prick it and mark it with B. Put it in the oven for baby and me. Okay, we're going to sing it fast. Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and prick it and mark it with B. Put it in the oven for baby and me. Okay, now solar system run 8 planets. 8 planets and the sun. Let me call them one by one. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are the closest to the sun. Jupiter is big in size. Saturn comes with a ring in line. Uranus and Neptune are so far but just in tune. Now we are going to sing it. Lisha, what are you going to sing it now? We're going to sing it slow or fast?
Fast.
Fast.
Fast. 8 planets on the sun. Let me call them one by one. 8 planets on the sun. Let me call them one by one. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are the closest to the sun. Jupiter is big in size. Saturn comes with a ring in line. Uranus and Neptune are so far but just in tune. Is your ear aching, Gautam Rishi? Can you take your hands, fingers out of your ears? Then how can you hear what I'm saying? Okay, next rhyme, new rhyme. We're going to start. So we'll sing slowly, okay? I know a boy named Roy. I know a boy named Roy. He has a noisy toy. He has a noisy toy. He put some oil. Sorry, he got some oil and put it to boil to fix the noisy toy. One more time, okay? I know a boy named Roy. He has a noisy toy. He got some oil and put it to boil to fix the noisy toy. I know a boy named Hoy. He had a golden coin. He had a golden coin. He wrapped the coin in a foil. He wrapped the coin in a foil and buried it in the soil. One more time. I know a boy named Hoy. He had a golden coin. He wrapped the coin in a foil and buried it in the soil. Roy and Hoy are friends. They hoist the flag on the ship. They hoist the flag on the ship. They shout ahoy. They shout ahoy and jump with joy. They shout ahoy and jump with joy. Come join the noisy boys. Come join the noisy boys. Let me show you. Have this rhyme in your book. Okay. I'll show you the rhyme. Those who have that rhyme, you can open the book from tomorrow. Okay. If not, you can look. If you don't have rhyme book, no problem. I'm showing the book. You can see this. Okay. Can you all see my screen? Okay, see, yesterday we saw now this boy is putting the oil for his toy car. This boy, what is he doing? He's wrapping the coin and he's putting the wrapping it in a foil and he's burying it in the soil. When you go to beach, what you? You take up a stone and hide it inside the sand and ask your mom or dad to find it out. No? Have you played that game in beach? Take a stone, bury it in a sand and ask them to find where is that. Next time when you go to beach, you bury the sand or stick somewhere and ask them to find out. Like that, this boy is burying a coin. Okay?
Good evening, ma.
Who has joined?
Good evening.
Yes, Kaushik. Good evening, Kaushik. Good evening, Kumara Guruparan.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening.
Okay. Okay, so now what we're going to do, yesterday we started a new concept time now. Okay, yesterday we started a new concept, landforms. We saw 4 landforms yesterday, right? Mountain, hill, valley, plain. Okay, mountain, hill, valley, plain. Mountain will have a pointed tip like this. Hill will be little rounded tip. See here. See, when you draw a mountain, how will you draw? Like this. The mountain is steep. You will have a pointed tip. Hill. This is hill. Okay, this is hill. This is mountain. So mountain has a pointed tip and it's very steep. So when you climb and go a mountain, it will be difficult. Hill, it has a rounded tip. It will not be that steep. It will not be that tall also. So climbing a hill is easy. Climbing a mountain is little difficult. When you grow and become a big man or woman, one day you can climb a mountain. Okay. So pointed tip is a mountain. Rounded tip is a hill. Okay. The place between 2 mountains is valley. Valley. And the flat land is called plain. Plain. The flat land is called plain. We saw that yesterday. So today, the landforms at 4 is enough for you. Okay. So we are not going to see any more landforms. Today we are going to see a new concept. Okay. World. Okay. I'm going to show you a small picture. See what is that. Ready? Okay.
Earth.
Yes. Wait, let me try zooming it. I don't know if I can get it. Okay, it's not coming big. So this is globe. Okay, this globe. Last week when we learned about India, no, we saw about map. So map, no, you'll have it as a flat one. But this is globe. It will say all the places, it will have all the countries, all the places, all the oceans. It will show where it is. Okay, if you see this, no, it will have a green color, that is India. I'll show you in detail now. Okay, so I've got this for you. So this is called globe. Okay, it is like a map. Globe is like a map. Okay, can you see what I'm showing? This is the world map. Okay, last week we learned about India, no? This is world map. Okay, all the countries, where are each country is there, where is each place is there, that this map, this will show you. Can anybody tell me any country other than India? Does anybody know any other country other than India? Yes, Lakshra.
Singapore. China, ma'am.
China, good. Singapore.
Sri
Then
Lanka.
Sri Lanka, very good.
Germany. France, Paris, ma'am.
Okay.
Germany.
Roshan, I can't hear your voice, Roshan.
Germany. Singapore.
Germany, Singapore, Malaysia, China, Sri Lanka. Very good. Then anything else?
USA, ma'am.
Yes.
Japan.
Japan.
UK.
UK, London, yes.
Dubai, ma'am. America.
USA, tell me USA. Tell me, Nivinsuri, I can't hear you. Please repeat. Russia, okay. Yes, Russia. Very good, children. You know many countries. So this map will tell you where are those countries. Okay. So this is the whole world. Okay, this is the whole world map. In this world map, they have divided this into 7. If you see, there is 7 colors: green, red, yellow, orange, blue, purple, and dark green. Okay, so this world map is divided into 7 continents. Okay, 7 continents. In the 7 continents only, we have all these countries. If you see this blue color, no, here only India is there. Here only India is there. This is America. So this is America, whole thing. Okay, and you talked about UK, no, it is all here. UK, London is here. Okay, Japan, China, India, all are here in this blue color. Okay, Singapore, Malaysia, all are here. Sri Lanka is a small one, no, that is Sri Lanka. Okay. So this world map is divided into 7 continents. Okay, let's learn the 7 continents today. Okay, North America is up. Okay, we'll learn with some action so that it will be easy for you. North America, South America, Africa. Can you see Africa, Asia, Europe, Australia, Antarctica. Okay, can you count with the fingers? North America, South America, Africa. There's a big forest there. Okay, Africa, Asia is our continent. Asia, Europe, Australia, you have kangaroos, many kangaroos. Okay, Australia, and this last green color, no, Antarctica. It's very cold, full of snow, freezing. Okay, so Antarctica. Okay, North America. I want all of it. Listen, Grithvik, what are you doing there?
I like Antarctica, ma'am. I don't know.
Antarctica. Okay, good, very good. North America, South America, Africa, Asia. I can see nobody is doing accent except Shravan, Roshan, and few. What about others? Sai, Charan? North America, South America, Africa, Asia, Europe, Australia, Antarctica. Okay, 7. One more time. North America, South America, Africa, Asia, Europe, Australia, and Antarctica. There are 7 continents. These 7 continents, we have many countries. So the whole world is divided into 7 continents. Okay. So today, and also I want to show you. This is volcano. We'll read about this tomorrow. Okay. We have the worksheet 147 about volcano. I will show you an experiment tomorrow on volcano. That time we will learn volcano. Okay. So today we are going to do 147 worksheet. Sorry, 148 worksheet. Yes, Diana. What do you want, Diana?
I know all about volcano.
Sorry?
I know all about volcano.
Okay, you know all about volcano. Very good. Tell us tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So can you all take out your worksheets? Day 148 CT worksheet, children. Have you all taken it? It's a coloring worksheet.
Excuse me, ma'am. What is the page number?
148. 148.
Okay.
148.
Yes, Diana.
48.
148.
Ma'am, is it correct?
Give me a minute. I think you're taking a different one. Give me a minute.
Ma'am, is it?
Please wait. Give me a minute. Wait. This one. Yes, you will have it as a different one. The one I'm showing you, you will not have that one. You will have little different one. Yes, the same one, children. What you're showing. Diana, what you showed me was right.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, tell me, Adya.
I found out, ma'am.
Good. So you'll have the worksheet like this, children. Okay. So what we are going to do is we are going to read now. Okay. After the class, you can color it. Okay. Ready, children? Everybody took this worksheet. Please write your name, put today's date. Please write your name and put today's date, children. Wrote everyone, name and date. Yes, yes, Shravan. Good. Good, Dayanand. Yes, Adya. Nivin Surya, Sai Chiran, did you all find out the worksheet? Wrote the name?
Yes,
Kavin,
ma'am.
Ryan. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Raj. Yes, Lakshraj, please put your hands down. Yes. Thank you. Okay, so now first one, the red color. The red color square we have, red color rectangle we have. That is Asia. Let me call Arjun. Read the spelling for Asia, Arjun. This one, Asia.
This one.
Red color.
A S
Mm.
I.
I A
Mm.
Asia.
Asia. One more time, Arjun. Read one more time. A.
A
Mm.
Septama.
A S
Mm.
I A Asia.
Good. Asia. Adya. Yellow color. Yellow color. South America.
No America.
Read the spelling. S.
S O U T H A M E R I C A.
South America.
South America.
One more time, Adya. S.
S O U T H A M E R I C A. South America.
Good. Next. Dayanand. Brown color. You have it as a brown color. Australia.
Australia. Ma'am, I
In-
cannot see the screen, ma'am.
You have it in your book, right, Dayanand?
There is a coloring and the down it's a sentence.
Yeah, the sentence only I'm saying. The sentence will have brown color box, no?
No, I don't have that.
You are having, Dayanand. Look here, Dayanand. Look at me. Brown color.
Australia.
That is a brown color. Lift it up. I think you have taken a wrong paper, Dayanand. I asked you to take 148. Not that one, dear. This one. 148. 148 CT. You have gone to the wrong one, I believe. Go back. Go back.
Ma'am, my grandpa is saying this is the wrong page.
Yes, that's what I'm telling. Go to 148, Dayanand. 148. Are you having 148 CT? What is the number in your worksheet?
149.
I asked you to go to 148, dear. $149 no, sir, Dayanand. 148, Dayanand. Are you in 148?
No, ma'am.
Then please go to 148.
We have it, ma'am.
That's what I was telling, dear. Okay. We have the brown color there. Brown color rectangle.
Yes, ma'am.
Read Australia. Now read the spelling for that. Australia.
A
Hmm.
U S E R A L A.
One more time.
A U S T R A L I R.
No, LIA.
L I
Australia. Hmm.
Australia.
Listen to me, Dayanand. Australia.
Australia.
One more time. Australia.
Australia.
Good, Dayanand. Very good. Next, Gautam Rishi. Are you
Yes.
there? Find out the green color rectangle, the Gautam Rishi. What is starting letter for the green color rectangle?
E U R O P E.
Europe.
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 Read one more spelling.
One. E.
E-U-R-O-P-E. Europe.
Good, good, Gautam. Next, Grutvik.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, do you have pink color?
Pink color, yes.
Okay. Read the spelling. North America.
North America.
Mm.
N-O-R-E, that's North America. A-M-E-R-I-C-A. North America.
Very good, Grutvik. Okay. Next, Kaushik.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you have orange color?
Orange color.
Find out orange color rectangle.
Sorry.
Antarctica.
Orange color.
Antarctica.
And America. And
Listen to me.
Antarctica.
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 Good. Read the spelling. Antarctica.
Antarctica.
Antarctica. Antarctica. Antarctica. Okay, Antarctica.
Antarctica.
Very good. Read the spelling. A. Good. Antarctica. Good, Kaushik. Okay. Jai Krish.
Ma'am.
Yes, do you have something in, like gray color or something? Gray color
Yes.
rectangle. What? Read the spelling for that. Africa.
U.
No. I said gray, not green. Jai Krish. Gray color. Yes. Africa.
Africa.
Thank you, Jai Krish. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at this coloring and then you're going to color this. Okay. Before that, we have a small, take out a pencil, children. We are going to draw the border for Europe and Africa. I'll show you now. There is no border given in your worksheet for some of you. Those who have a different worksheet other than what I'm showing. See, at the top, if you here, Asia will be here. At the top, you'll have a small curve. After this, you have a small curve. Draw a small like this. You're going to join from here to here. I'll zoom it, wait. So what I'm going to do is here, look for this curve, children. After that curve, you'll have a small like this. Like, what do you say, like L, okay. There, draw a straight line. There, draw a straight line. And then you will have a curve like this. Draw a line to that. You did not draw even this. Just draw a line to this. From here, the curve to draw a line like this and join here. Asia. This is Asia and that is Europe. Those who don't have the worksheet which I am showing, just draw a border separating Asia and Europe. So that while coloring, you can color for this green and this for this you can color red. Understood, children? Dayan, you understood what I said, Dayanand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what about Nivin, Surya, Arjun, everybody? Those who have a different worksheet. Yes, Sai Charan, did you draw Sai Charan? You draw.
Yes, ma'am. Is this correct? How the
You drew it? Okay. I'll just check it when you say sending it as a home. Send it to me as a homework. Okay. Okay. So everybody drew that border. Those who don't have it in your worksheet. Yes, everybody done. Yes. Okay. So quickly, what we'll do? Remember, I've been asking questions for you. Puzzle questions. Who is that, ma?
Good
Yes,
afternoon.
Lekshita. Good evening, Lekshita.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you that puzzle question. You're going to raise your hand. Okay, so please let others also get chance. Okay, ready? Okay. I am an animal. Ready, children? I live in forest. I have a long tail. I love to eat banana. Who am I? Raise your hand. Yes, I saw Spite of me telling you,
Monkey, ma'am. Monkey, ma'am. Monkey.
yes, monkey is right answer, children.
Ma'am, monkey, ma'am.
Yes, monkey is correct answer.
Monkey,
Okay,
ma'am.
next question. Yes, monkey is correct. Okay, I am from Australia. I have a strong legs. I will hop and go. I will have baby. Next question, ready? Okay. I walk very slowly. I have a house.
Tortoise,
Okay, I got all 23 tortoises. Thank you so much, children. That was so nice. Everybody's participating. Good. Thank you. Okay. So now we'll get back to our worksheet. We are going to draw the clock hand quickly. Ready? Okay, please take out your worksheet. Day 147. 147. I repeat, 147. You will have a clock there. This one. Please write your name, put today's date quickly. Come on.
ma'am, we have 148.
You have it in a 148. Okay, give me a minute. Yeah, sorry, yeah.
I have it 148 TT.
Sorry, dear. It's 148. We finished yesterday 147. No, I'm sorry. It's 148. Very sorry. 148. Correct. Correct. Please write your name and date. Okay.
Ma'am, this one.
Yes, just check it with what I'm showing. Okay. Yes, same one. Next, Kavin is going to help me. Ready, Kavin? Are you there? Kavin is not there. Okay. Next, Lakshita. Lakshita ji is going to help me.
Ma'am, 148. Ma'am.
Yes, ma.
148.
Yes, ma. 148, Lakshita. We have started writing. Come on. Thank you, Nivin Surya. Yes, Nivin Surya. Yes. Lakshita. Okay. Come on, Lakshita. We'll start now. The first 11 o'clock. So we are going to draw the hands.
Yeah.
So where will be my short hand? I will have two hands. Where will be my short hand?
Here. Here.
Say the
Even
number.
side. Look at the worksheet I'm showing you. Yes, 148 empty. Correct, even side. We have started writing even side.
1, 11,
Say loudly.
11.
Okay, the short hand will be in 11. The long hand will be where?
12.
12. Good. The short hand will be in 11. The hard hand and the long hand will be in 12. That is 11 o'clock. Thank you, Lakshita. Yes. First, keep a dot in the center, children. Okay, in the center, keep a dot. Draw the long hand to 12. You can put an inverted V like this. Okay, and the short hand will be to 11. Done. Okay, next question. Niveen Surya.
Yes, ma'am.
4 o'clock. So where will be my short hand, dear? 4 o'clock.
4, ma'am. 4.
Short hand will be in 4. Correct. Where will be my long hand? Minute hand.
12.
12. Okay. Next, Kumara Guruparan.
Yes, ma'am.
7 o'clock. Where will be my short hand?
Ma'am. Here.
Tell the number.
7.
7. Where will be my long hand? 12. Next, Lisha.
Yes.
Yes,
9 o'clock. Where will be my short hand?
Short hand. Short hand.
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Short
9.
hand.
9 o'clock. Short hand will be in 9. Where will be my long hand?
Okay. Long hand.
Long hand will be in 12.
Mm.
12.
Okay, short hand?
Short hand.
எந்த நம்பர்ல இருக்கும்
12.
ஷார்ட் ஹேண்ட் எந்த நம்பர்ல இருக்கும்
9.
9. Short hand will be in 9. Long hand will be in 12. Good.
Draw.
Can you all draw, children?
Yes, ma'am. I finished, ma'am.
Okay,
Finished, ma'am. I also.
Finished, everybody? Ryan, Kavin came back? No, okay. Nivin Surya, Lisha, everybody, Gautam, my husband.
I finished, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, children. Yes. Good, very good. Okay, after finishing it, can you all take this worksheet, children? We are going to revise IR words. It is 147. Those who are using the other book, you will have it under book 3, children. Under book 3, you will have it under 120. Oh God, I kept it. 120. Please take 125 PH under book 3. Those who will you all listen? Have you all finished the clock? Yes. Okay. Then Take 147 pH sheet. Okay. Some of you, yes, Shiva, you will not have it under 147. Go to book 3 and take 127. Sorry, 125. Those who don't have it under 147 pH, please take book 3, 125. Not that one you inside. Not that one you inside. 147 pH. Or else book 325 pH. You'll have bird, you'll have shirt, skirt, all those you'll have. I'm sure 147 pH. I'll share you now.
Ma'am, I took in book number 3, ma'am.
Yes, you have it at book number 3, you'll have it under 1 to 5. In book 3, you'll have it under 1 to 5.
I got a 147, ma'am.
Okay. Have you all found out? Anybody who hasn't found out, unmute and tell me. Others, you can stay on mute, please. Please. Those who did not. Yes, Dayanand.
Homework or writing, ma'am? Now?
Now writing. I didn't say anything about homework. Okay. Now we are going to write. You found out?
Ma'am, I found out, ma'am.
All of you stay on mute, children. Please stay on mute. If you haven't found out, ask me for help. If you have found out, very good. Please write your name and date. Very good, children. You are intelligent. You found out. Very good. Write your name and date. Come on, Nivin, Surya, Lekita. Okay, we're going to start the worksheet now. Ready? I'm going to count from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the first one. Lakshraj.
Yes, ma'am.
Do as directed. Fill in the blanks with IR words. We are going to fill in with what word? IR. Okay. IR sound is IR. What sound IR? IR. Okay. Bird. Bird.
Ball.
So we are going to fill with IR.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. IR. Bird.
Ball.
Thank you, Lakshraj. Lekshita.
Thank you, ma'am. What, ma'am?
Shirt.
Shirt.
IR.
IR.
SH.
R.
RT. SHIRT. Shirt.
SHIRT shirt.
Next, Nivin Sudha is done. Roshan. Skirt.
ER.
IR. All we are writing is IR words. Earth words. Okay. Skirt. Bird. 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 Shirt. 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 Skirt. 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 Next, Mahaswin. Can you read this? Can you read this word D?
DIRT.
Dirt. Dirt.
Dirt.
Again, D. Mm.
D.
Mm.
D-R-I-T.
No, D-I-R-T.
D-I-R-T.
Dirt.
Dirt.
Okay.
Next.
Next.
Page 1, ma'am.
Who is asking me what page? Give me a minute. Let me.
Ma'am.
Kumara Guruparan. What were you doing so long, Kumara Guruparan? Book. Check in book 3, dear.
Mommy.
Book 325. Take book 3. Book 3. 125 PH.
Okay, ma'am.
Out. Okay. Ryan.
Yes, ma'am.
Read this word, ma. C.
C
Mm.
I
Mm.
R
Mm.
E
C.
C L E
Circle.
circle.
One more time. C.
E I
Mm.
R C L E circle.
Very good. Okay, next. When C joins with I, you will not say the sound as C. That's why we are not saying it as circle. We are saying it as circle. Okay. When after C, when you have I, the sound becomes S. Okay, it's not K sound. C will no longer have K sound. When after C you have I, the sound of C becomes S. It will not be K sound. Okay, that's why we are not saying it as circle. We are saying it as circle. Okay, Ryan. Okay, next. After Ryan, Sai Chiran.
Yes, ma'am.
C.
C I R C U S
Okay. Circus.
circus.
Okay, this word is also very same. When you have I after C, you will not say the sound of C as K. You will say sound as S. So, circus, circus. Okay, circus. Next, who is there? Isan is absent. Shiva. Shiva, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read this? G.
G
Mm,
I
mm,
R
mm,
L
L. Girl.
girl.
One more time. G.
G I
Mm,
R L girl.
Girl. Good. Next. Fill in the blanks with UR. UR sound is what? R. Umbrella, right? R. Okay. Next is Shravan. Nurse.
Nurse.
N.
N
U.
R
R.
R S E nurse.
One more time, Shravan. N.
N U R S E nurse.
Very good. Varnika.
Yes, ma'am.
Read this. What is this animal?
Turtle.
Very good. So R sound. So R sound means what? You are.
You are.
So turtle. T.
T
U.
U R T L E. Turtle.
Very good. Yuvan Sai. What is this color, Yuvan Sai?
Purple.
Very good. Read the spelling. What you will have right? R sound means what will you write?
You are.
R. Very good. Read the spelling. U R. I am writing U R. Right. Read the spelling. P.
T.
P.
P. R. U.
No.
U.
Mm.
R. P.
Mm.
B. Purple.
No. Read one more time. Wrong. P.
P.
Mm.
U.
Mm.
R. P.
Mm.
L. E.
Very good. P U R P L E. Purple. Good. Good, Yuvan sir. Next, Kavin. Read this word, Kavin. Oh, Kavin is not there. Yes, Lakshraj, read this word.
Yes, ma'am. B. L. No.
Mm.
No.
Burn.
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 Okay, when you keep your hand on fire, no, your hand will get hurt and burned. Okay, that is called burn. When you keep paper on fire, paper will get burned. Okay, that is burn. B-U-R-N. Burn. Jai Krish, read this word here.
P.
Mm.
U.
Mm.
R.
Mm.
T. U. R. N.
What is sound of T?
Turn.
I don't want the word. I want the phonic sound and joining. Try joining and tell me. I don't want the answer. You're getting it from someone. Read this answer. T, ta. Mm. R.
R.
Mm.
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 T. R. Mm. T.
Mm.
Mm. Turn.
Mm. Mm.
Turn.
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 Turn. Okay, what is turn? What is turn, Jai Krish?
Turn
Turn around. What is turn?
around.
Turn and show me. How will you turn?
Turn from this side, turn from
Ah,
this side.
that is turn. Okay, turn. Okay. Next, Arjun.
அம்மா என்ன சொல்ற
Mm. Far. Far. What is far, Arjun? Far.
Fun.
Do you have soft toys? Fur toys? No. You don't know. Okay, I'll show you fur toys. I don't have it right now with me. Fur toys will be the teddy bear. Teddy bear toys you have seen? Teddy bear toys.
And
That is fur toys. Fur. Bushy. Okay. Fur. Yes. Next, Lakshita ji.
Mama.
Read the last word. H.
H.
Mm.
H.
U.
U.
R.
R.
T.
T.
Hurt. Hurt. When you get something, you know you get hurt. Okay, hurt. Okay. So what we're going to do is, Dayanji asked me about homework. Now you're going to color the continents, 7 continents, and you're going to complete the homework worksheets of day 147. That's the homework. Okay. So just a recap. Yes. Just a recap. We learned about what we started with a new rhyme. Okay. I know a boy named Roy. That rhyme. we revised, we started with continents. We saw the world map, and we learned about the 7 continents: North America, South America, Africa, Asia, Europe, Australia, Antarctica. So 7 continents we started learning today. Then we did the clock. So always the short hand will be in the number and the long hand will be in 12. When it is 9 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, like that. Okay. Then we revise I, R and U, R words. R and IR words. Okay. So yes, Nivinsura, you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So see you tomorrow. We'll have the volcano experiment tomorrow, and Dayanand is going to talk about volcano tomorrow. Okay, Dayanand, remind me tomorrow when we start the class. Okay, you'll help us with the volcano.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
I also know all about dinosaur too.
Dinosaur some other day. Tomorrow only volcano. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much, children. The class is over for today. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, bye, ma'am.